Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create add yours music on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, let's just create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on the story section and I'm going to upload a photo from my device. Okay, and then we can go to the sticker section and choose the add yours music feature. Okay, and here we can add the music. I'm just going to pick random music, for example. Okay, then we can click on done, and we can also add text to our story. I'm just going to add what is your favorite music. Oops, what's your favorite music? Favorite music. Okay, and then we can click on this done option after we're done adding text. Okay, and I'm going to place it right here, and once we're ready to share the story, we can click on your story to share this add yours music story. And I'm going to share this story to my Instagram. Okay, and now it's done, guys, and that's how we can create add yours music story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.